Hello everyone. Let's understand, why does a handwriting go bad? Why do we tell children that your handwriting is bad? And let's take a look at certain rules of handwriting. Now, if you will look up here in the board, there are certain samples which I have written. Now look at this A, N, and D here, 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 and here. The A is there, the N is small, again the D and leaving the bar, the A, N with a more space here, a crooked A and D again here, wherein you can hardly read, A and D again here, with no knowledge of the upper zone and the lower zone, the slants, the wrong slants here. So let's talk about, why does a handwriting actually go bad? If the child has no knowledge about the equal space between the handwriting, or if he has no knowledge about the upper or the lower zone, or he has no knowledge about the the right space between the handwriting, or let's say the consistent space in a handwriting. Now, if I cut my A and D here, it has a right slant. If I cut this here, it has a left slant. One basic rule of cursive handwriting is that the handwriting goes towards right slant. Graphologically also, this is very good. But if the handwriting goes towards left, we discourage children to write towards left, because graphologically, again, it is not good. And as I told you before, the rule of the cursive writing is that it should go towards the right-hand side. It should ascend. Now, if we look at this sample, the upper zone, the lower zone, and the middle zone. And this is why, when I say that, when I ask the question that why do we at all make the children write in a 4-line, even the children who, of higher classes, when we design the books for them, they will first write in a 4-line book, and then we switch on to 1 line and the blank pages, of course. This gives them an understanding of the zones, which is very, very important. Now, if you see this particular sample, A, N, and D, the child definitely doesn't know the understanding of the zones. Now look at these two samples. The capital letter and the small letters. They are at par with each other, wherein it should actually be this way. So it's very important that the child knows that he has to have a slant towards right. The distance between the letters have to be maintained properly. It cannot be that 2 letters are close and the other letter is far off. No. A capital letter has to look a capital letter, and small letters have to look small letters. They cannot be written in this way. Now the slant, as I told you, the slant going towards left is discouraged. The slant has to be there going towards the right.